Hello everyone, I'm starting a new series called Let Us Power BI. So, in this series, we will start from scratch and build upon it and learn how to build dashboards in Power BI. So, let us start. In this video, I will have a look at Power BI Desktop and I'll give you an overview of Power BI Desktop. So, I've got this site open. All I need to do is go and say powerbi.com, and it opens this site for me. And what you need to do is you click on start for free, and it gives you the option to download Power BI Desktop. So you click on that, and once it gets downloaded, you can install it. So I've already got it installed. I'll click on Power BI Desktop, and it is an app. So I'll open that software. And it becomes available to me to start building my dashboards and reports. So just to give you an idea, what I wanted to do was I've got gone to web and pulled a list of all the countries by population on Wikipedia, and we'll just go and grab that and build a quick dashboard. So I'll just copy this web URL, go to Power BI and just say on the home tab, click on get data from the web, and I'll just paste the URL here and hit OK. So Power BI gives us whatever is available on that page. So I'll select the first one, and you can see it is showing me the data. And I want to get rid of the first two rows. So what I'll do is I will just, instead of loading directly, I will click on the edit button. So Power BI comes with its own data manipulation component called Power Query, and it opens that. And all I will do is say remove the first two rows. Hit OK. And click close and apply. So it's preparing the data for us. And it's showing us the data. So we can have a look at the data by clicking on the data tab. So it's the rank, name of the country, and the population. So I'll just change this data type instead of text to a whole number. That's all. And we'll take this up in more detail in subsequent videos. So this is just a quick overview. So what I'll do is I will just select country and population. And you can see it is done. So let me just hit the focus button, and it is showing it's showing the size of the bubble according to the population. So India and China are the biggest bubbles. So let's just go back to the report, and let's say I'm a numbers person. I don't want to look at these maps. So all I need to do is do a Control C and Control V. And I'll just convert it into a table, and it's pretty easy to convert it into a table. With this visual selected, I'll just go under visualization and hit table, and you can see that it is showing the data to me now. And let me just focus this again, and you can see I can see this in a table format, and I can click on population, and all of a sudden it just sorts by the country, the size of the population. So we'll go back to the report, and let's say now I want a histogram. So I'll just do a Control C, Control V again. Move this to the side and go and click on a histogram or clustered bar chart. I click on that, again focus mode, and you can see China, India, United States. So it's a very quick overview. We've just built a visualization on population by country in Power BI. So in the next video, I will do an overview of publishing this into the Power BI site. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like the videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you want me to cover some topics outside of what we're taking up right now.